So I probably gonna just trim this because I want just part of it. Let me know, or I can't wait to see how you create this look as well. It's gonna be stunning because I just want angle diagonals, but you can do however you can do a whole entire nail. I think this nail is gonna be stunning. You probably see a little bit of a hint of the, you know, like the logo there. Looks good. Oh, for everything is stuck on my nails right now. Okay, I still have a piece of it in here that we can play with. Leave it out on side. And start playing with this and see how we can do this. I'm excited with this. You don't have to get this flower. I just happen that I love this look of the flowers. You can absolutely good. Okay. This is Ali played with this a little bit earlier. I am going to using these two colors together. You think? Bahamas and this as my favorites all the time. I know and you can also use another one. It just happened that one I have it in front of me. Lighter blue. Condensed glue gels. I am go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels on. This is so colorful for oh, Ali. Good. Is that anybody asking for it? Ooh, oh. All right. Condensed glue gel. Hey, babe. What happened? Sorry. Technical difficulty. We'll try to get the footage for all of you. So first step, I'm using a condensed glue gels, and then second, I'm going to no wipe top coat. I'm touching something on it, the yellow colors on the cap. It looks so like vibrant in there. I'm gonna show you it's cool. Ali has really cool nails before and put no wipe top coat on the top to help, you know, grab the base of the crystals, and that's on itself cute. Actually, it's Ali helped me with I think she creates a look of 30,000 follower crystals. This one is really cool. I'm gonna show it closer. You have a base, can you put it on the base? Yeah. Put it on a nice base. And awesome, Ali. I'm just using different sizes of Bahamas, and I'm going to using ruby rose kind of combinations with. But however, you can do any different colors. I think it's gonna look stunning as well. Look good, Ali. How does that happen? Can you close that one, please? Everyone's happy for the weekend. You excited? I can't believe that tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday? I feel like it's so fast. The week's gone so fast. I just like remember it's Monday. But hey, it's okay. I can take the weekend. And you can alternate the different colors if you would like to. You know, you see me do a lot of this color, so I never get tired of this colors. Should I put the beads on? I'll leave it alone. If I put the beads on. I still kind of seeing the ombre of the two colors of it. It looks stunning. That's awesome. Thank you, Sarah and Ali. Oh, it's Beats Nancy. Genesee. I know you. Okay. Put the beads and the bee. We can do a big bees or smaller one. What do you think? Should I get a baby bees? Or should I get a queen bees? Can you get me a baby bees? Like a smaller bees? Gold bee?
Bee?
Yeah. Bees. The smaller bees. Smaller one. I have queen's bees. But we'll see what is gonna be in this because I feel like I want just one more crystal in here. You know me, I have to have at least one nails blinked out before we call for tonight. I'm so enjoying it. Tonight's like, that's so many to show. So many different cool. Oh, that's cute bee, okay. I have the bigger queen's bee. Okay, make sure that I still able to see Facebook. Hello Facebook on that side.
It's like you open it on a window and you see some flower outside.
Mm-hmm. It looked like that, huh? But it's okay. Stunning. And then, too small for the bees. You can put my cute little bees right there. She can be right in the middle, on the top of the flowers, or on the flowers, or whatever. You can leave her like that. Great, so I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. There's a great thing about if you don't want adjusting anything before you key it, you can also do that as well before you start keying anything. Just one more piece, one more crystal right there. and then I'm good. All right, cure for 60 seconds. Sorry, I feel like, did you see the bees good? It's not crooked? Okay, good. They crooked to you? Thank you, Genesee. Thank you, April. Thanks, Sarah. Thanks, Allie. Oh, so sweet. It's totally different, and yes, on the side. I was like, okay, I'm missing a lot of conversation right here. It's okay. It's okay. I just follow. Luna, I saw your package on the way. That's awesome. Somehow it's the Instagram can't click like. I can't click like on anything, huh? It's weird though. I just can talk back to you, but I can't like. That's awesome. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah was sharing some of a lot of live tutorial with using liquid gunpowders, incorporating with crystal placements. That's my bees. There's all different bees. I have a whole collections in here. Let me show you. If just in case you're curious about bee collection, I use a lot of them, and there's still some in here. The bigger one and smaller ones. Just to let you know, but I'm put it in my container right there. So let me put precision glue to double secure. Normally, usually it's already done, and it's great. But guess what? The whole wings here and little bees and all crystal edges that might have a little bit scratches, and it's gonna cause, you know, catchings on the client's hair or the clothes or whatever they were doing with normal activity day. So I'm gonna using this first, like part of the cap. The top cap will take off. It will take you to precision needles, which is that you can squeeze in and go doing a little exam between cracks and edges of the crystals. So therefore it will help to seal completely the base and surround crystal without touching on the top of it, to prevent from, you know, is dull, make your crystal dull and then getting all the cut and the shine of it get destroyed. So this will help to go around with between crystals and cracks in the edges. So I am going to using precision, after the precision glue, I am going to using a twin tip brush on the other ends. You can see it on the other ends and give it a quick swipe. This is techniques, tip and tricks will help blending all that extra precision glue that I was applied around base of the crystals, and it give you really nice like blending look, so then when you're curing it doesn't look lumpy bumpy. Great. And if you need to go back again with your precision glue on the bees right here, you can't. Now I'm here for 60 seconds and these nails will be done.